Hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today is January 1st. Right now I'm gonna go on the road. Gonna go to the hotel to get some dinner, right? Happy New Year's to you and your family. Right? Hope I wish you all the best for the year ahead, 2022. You know what I mean? And hope you know what I mean? You can move past whatever you were going through whatever. Alright, so like right now I'm on my way. I'm on my way out now. I want to get some jerk chicken. I love jerk chicken. Some jerk chicken and probably like sweet potatoes. I'm rocking my Cuban link for the first. I'm not too special. You know? Yeah, I'm in full black. I'm in my mask. Here's why I'm in my mask. My hair is not done. Fucked up right now, but I'm a sexy ass nigga today, baby. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I'm out here. I'm there out here now, you know, but I can't get no park. But hopefully you're so full up so today. I mean, I look so full up like last night. I don't know, but yeah, man. You can vlog and drive at the same time, okay? There, boat, though. Looking at the menu. Looking at the menu just now, bro. Trying to get some food. I'm thinking I go buy one I always buy. You know what I mean? Yeah. There, bro. Waiting on my food, my jerk chicken, and my broccoli, and my sweet potatoes. Even my thing. And there is something chilling like a villain. You know what I mean? I don't own copyright to the music playing. Nah, I mean, hopefully short, you know. Yeah, so look here. On my way back home now. You know what I mean? Dinner was nice. By myself as usual again. I don't know. No one born and never plus one. So do things by yourself, you know what I mean? Yeah. Just some jerk chicken with the I don't do with the potato. The potato look like it roasts a little bit. Roasted potatoes with some broccoli and some carrot and like the long thing. But here's a nice little ambient, eh? Nice. Yeah. So I'm going home right now. Um I used to live over there, across the road, like that's my apartment up there. I don't think you can see nothing, you know. Hold on. I'm going down the window real quick. My apartment there right this way the balcony. I don't think you can see no. Well, I enjoyed my local dinner by myself as I was saying, you know. I'm just gonna go home now. Probably do some sit down and talk a little bit. Like it's kinda weird like vlogging when you're outside, people watching, because I'm not vlogging off a phone, it's a big camera, you know. I ever took 2 pictures and they said that I can't take any pictures over here with the camera. You should use your phone, but it is what it is. I'm going home now. Bro, like, you see when you got money? When you think up, like, so you should work on yourself, because, like, I see the hoes looking at me today, bro. Sir, I was the main attraction today, down there. And I'm going to come here more often because of that fact, okay? Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Heart of love. Yeah. So, Happy New Year's, everybody. Yeah. So, Happy New Year's, everybody. Happy 2022. I hope you achieve everything that you set out to achieve this year. You know, I'm already feeling this year already. My 2020 was good. Was good for me, 2020. 2021 was better than 2020. You know what I mean? And I'm already feeling 2022 like it's going to be a great year for me. Like I'm going to be great this year. You know, I'm claiming it. I feel like I'm gonna achieve a lot of great things this year. I can feel the energy. I don't know if maybe today is the holiday, although I don't think that it's because today is the holiday. Because ever since I know myself, I always could like feel the energy around me. You know what I mean? Like when it's bad vibes or good vibes. And from 2022 came over. I'm just feeling a good vibe. You know, like yeah, I'm gonna achieve some great things this year. You know what I mean? So tips for people out there watching. Write down your goals. Start today when you watch a video. Write down all your goals that you want to achieve, and then set the time like for 2020, and set like a time limit for when you want to achieve them, and just yeah, wake up every morning and read the goals that you want to achieve. Last thing before you go to sleep, what you want to achieve, and like subconsciously your brain is gonna like make a way to get you closer to those goals that you set out for yourself. So do that, and I can guarantee you're gonna see results. You know. So I had dinner tonight at AC Hotel. It was really nice. Would be nicer with like like if you have a family. Like me have a little son, you know, like him probably one, and a wife. That would have been nicer, but can't complain. You know what I mean? Everything still work out just the same. Weird. Yeah. So 2022 is feeling great for me, as I said, and I'm just gonna go out there and do what I can do. I feel like it's gonna be a hell of a year. Know what I mean? Yeah. Get the house this year. And that's something to jump out of because I'm still bending in at the moment. Yeah, I'm bending in. Been a bending in a car from birth, so it's time to jump out, you know. Know what I mean? Step up. It's me, I say big son. Yo, I want one of them Porsche there. Yeah, one of them Mercedes Benz, one of them G Wagon there. No, 2022. Do it for me now, bro. 2022, one of them. Nice. Yeah, maybe could have sacrifice a Range Rover, maybe a Tesla. That would have nice. See me, one of them BMW X5, they would have nice. Same way, 2022. What you say? I lie? So yeah, so I have a lot of big dreams, big goals, and them never stop. Nobody can come slow me up. No girl, no family, no friend, none of that. No retreat, no surrender. Full speed ahead. Know what I mean? Yeah. Them way the brother. Don't come easy, me good. And come chill. Get me, I say my girl, none of that. You see me? Now come slow me up. Full speed ahead me depend. You see me? Yeah. Love and love alone, see me. Wishing everybody that watching the video. You know you're my day ones. For this year I'm gonna try to be more consistent. Unfortunately, I haven't been as consistent as I wanted to be, but it's whatever. I'm here now, I'm still here. And yeah. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And come along in 2022 with me on the vlogs. Yeah. Travel some places, do some videos, have people over. And yeah. So like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Art I love every time. Black Art. Black Nation. Love.